It's that time of year again. Spring cleaning. I've honestly been needing to do this for months. I have crap shoved in like random places of my room and areas are just super disorganized. From the surface, everything looks clean, but that's what spring cleaning's all about. Just doing like the little tedious tasks and having a nice clean refresh. We are really doing it all today. I'm obviously in the car right now, so first things first, we're gonna go to Starbucks. Well, I'm actually already at Starbucks. I'm gonna get a tea and just start my day off in the best way possible. I'm also gonna grab some coffee for Lauren because she needs a coffee and I was already going, so it worked out perfect. If you guys have any cleaning that you need to do or just a little cleaning task that you need to get done, throw on this video, get it done, get it started at least, and we can kind of get our lives together little by little together. Wow, so inspirational. Thank you. Could I get a straw as well?
Totally.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh, she was so nice. I'm like, nah, hey. Whoa! All right, let's just jump right in and get started. First thing I'm gonna tackle is I have some under the bed boxes that are super disorganized. So I need to go through, organize all of that. Cheers. Okay, that's done. That felt pretty good because lately I've kind of been putting stuff under there blindly. Like I'll take something out and then I'll just like put it in the bin, like not even looking at where I'm putting it, just putting my hand under my bed. Now I'm gonna organize my desk, and honestly, I've never found a good system for how to organize my desk. I think it's partially because I'm in college and I don't have a ton of space, so a lot of things that I wouldn't want to normally keep in my desk, I have to just because there's limited space. Okay, time to organize the desk. I'm probably gonna get rid of a bunch of stuff too. I have like some old makeup and things that I want to get rid of. Yeah, let's do it. My hair is a mess, but I'm about to go into Target. I want to get some groceries, just a little bit, and then I need to get kitty litter for Kitty. And I also have a new addition coming to my room, so I want to go look for a little bit of decor, which is like my favorite thing to do in Target. Is it not everyone's though? All right, it's pouring rain right now, but it just stopped, so I'm gonna go run inside. What she's looking at out there, but something has really caught her attention. I just came back from Target. I got some groceries as well. I wanted a desk calendar to put all like my work stuff on this one, and then I got some more wallpaper because I still need to finish that side of my room. A notebook. I got Kitty a bunch of wet food because I think she'll love it, and I'll just like mix it in one of these like halves each time I feed her. Some pimple patches, more toothpaste, and then some tissues. And how cute are these little boxes? They're like spring. Kitty, did you like your food? Did you like your food? Kitty has feline leukemia, if you don't know, and so I'm just trying to spoil her some of these, which should be yummy for her. I'll also keep everything linked down below, but I also got these earrings. I think these are so pretty. I just lit my candle and setting some cozy vibes. I get these giant candles from like Home Goods or Marshall's for like $10. And they smell great. I'm gonna throw in some laundry right now. I'm gonna throw in clothes, and I'm also gonna do my sheets and pillowcases and stuff. My mom is the best, and my mom actually just washed my comforter, so I don't need to do that. I'm gonna do my sheets first because I hate when my bed isn't made. So that's gonna be first, and then I'll do my clothes.
Jess. You know me.
Just
I'm just hanging out.
Just came to keep me company. Yeah, I'm gonna finish the wallpaper up there. I'm gonna vacuum the whole room. Yeah, she's here to keep me company.
I'm supposed to be studying, but I'm procrastinating, so.
I have laundry going right now. I wiped down like all the surfaces, cleaned all the glass and like mirrors in my room, and I cleaned like that window. In between the window and the screen was so gross and dirty. There was like soot. It was really gross.
I need to clean mine now. I have two. I need to
it was
clean the other
easy.
one.
It took like 2 seconds. But I'm gonna vacuum right now and then do this wallpaper.
Yay, yay.
Yeah! So I vacuumed and now we've been playing with Kitty, and Kitty's been doing her flips. She's really good at flips, if you didn't know. But I'm gonna do the wallpaper tomorrow morning. My laundry's finishing up tonight, but I'm running out of energy. Another day, another matching sweat set. I swear I wear a matching sweat set every single day. I'm not even being dramatic. I just love to be matching, and I think they're so comfy and easy. Like literally me putting on leggings has become even a struggle. Like I just prefer Kitty. I just prefer to be in sweatpants. Right now I'm gonna finish the wallpaper. So this is the area that I have to do, which is gonna be kind of annoying because I have the window that I need to like go around. But I'm excited to have it done. This has been like that for months, so I'm gonna do that. I also have all my laundry that I need to fold. Alright, that's everything for my spring cleaning day. My room feels so nice and clean. It's honestly just the best feeling when everything's nice and clean and also every little area is organized. It just puts me in a good state of mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. I upload a new video every single Thursday. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram, TikTok, and all of that. It'll all be down below. Everything will be linked down below. If there's anything that you guys want linked from this video, let me know in the comments and I'll link it for you. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!